differentiating sine x, okay, which is the dy dx. The y dx is given what? Cos x. If it is cos x, or cos whatever, the derivative of it, which is the y dx, we always give you minus sine x. What about if it is tan x? Y equal to what? Tan x. What will tan x be? Now, you have to do some calculation before you get the x of tan x. You know that y is also equal to what? Tan x, which also equal to what? Sine what? X. All over what? Cos x. Do you know that? That y is equal to what? Sine x all over what? All over cos x. Do you know that? Yes. So now, since you have sine x all over what? Cos x. Are you getting it now? You can take this one as u, you can take this one as v, using what? Quotient rule. U will now be equal to what? Sine what? X. So that v will now be equal to what? Cos x. Now let's differentiate this. You have the u all over the x, which is equal to what? Which is equal to what? Cos x. And what is the v all over the x? Minus sine x. Minus what? Sine x. Now, what is the formula for quotient rule? Formula for quotient rule is the y all over the x equal to what? V du dx minus what? U dv dx all over what? V squared. Have you forgotten the formula? So now let's put, what's your v? Your v is what? Cos x times, what is the u dx? The u dx is what? Cos x minus, what's your u? Your u is what? Sin x times, what is the v dx? Minus what? Sin x. Everything over what? V. What's your v? Cos x. That's what? Cos square x. Cos square x. So if you have that, so here you can come here and say the y all over what? The x is now equal to what? Cos x times cos x. It will give you what? Cos square x. It will give you what? Cos square x minus sin x times sin x. It will give you what? Minus sin square x. And by the time you use this minus to multiply this minus, it will give you what? Plus. You now have what? Sin square x. Everything all over what? Cos square x. Now, don't forget that from an identity, that one identity that cos square x plus what? Sin square x equal to what? Equal to 1. Hello? There's one identity that anytime you have cos square x plus sin square x, the answer will always give you 1. It's an identity. So that means cos square x plus sin square x is what? 1. So you have the y all over the x will be equal to what? 1 all over what? Cos square x. And don't forget that anytime you have 1 over cos x, it is the same thing as what? Sec x. And anytime you have 1 over sin x, it will give you what? Cosec x, not cos. Cosec x. Are you getting it now? So that means this one that you have 1 over cos square x, what will it be? It will be sec square because you have square. Here there is no square. But here now you have square. It will now be what? Sec square what? X. So meaning that the y dx is equal to what? Sec square x. So what it means is that anytime you are differentiating what? Tan x. Anytime you are differentiating what? Tan x, it will always give you what? Sec square x.